So there are several reasons why this magnifier is good for crafts, in my opinion, and I'll get to them in a bit, but let's go ahead and unbox this first. It comes very well packaged with all the important bits protected by foam. It comes with the USB power plug adapter, a standard base, a clip-on base, and the actual magnifying glass on a 16-inch flexible gooseneck. It seems very well put together and sturdy. Now for the things I like about it. First off, I like how easy it is to switch between the standing base and the clip-on one. It attaches to both snugly, and I can see having two different stations set up with this and just moving the magnifying glass if needed. Especially if one location has less room, the clip-on stand is great for that. The controls are in a super convenient location and are very intuitive. I don't like magnifiers where the controls are on the cord. The brightness gets very bright and I do like the two different color settings, warm and cool. This would be great for any creative projects where you need to see what it would look like under different lighting conditions. The last thing is the arm itself. Since it's a flexible gooseneck, you can get it exactly how you want from any direction. I think this is a big plus over those spring arms some of the other magnifiers have. The magnification is ×5, so be aware of that. It's a good all-around magnification, but I can see it not being enough for some projects. Overall, I think this product is well made and well thought out, and it would be a perfect fit for most crafts.